what is the additional money which a central government employee is going to get?
Syed Zafar Islam, answer directly. Where is the cash in the hands, actual cash in hands of people? The question is, the 20 lakh crore stimulus has come and gone. There's a sense that cash has not come in people's hands. Is there an admission, therefore, that you have failed to tackle the demand crisis which you are finally recognizing? Today, Nirmala Sitharaman appears to admit. She finally says, no gainsaying that the pandemic has adversely impacted the economy. Consumer spend needs to be given a boost. That's what she said today. Is there an admission, therefore, that we finally need to tackle the demand side crisis?
Rajdeep, the Honorable Finance Minister, even when the announcement package was announced, even at that time she said that adequately she will respond as and when it is warranted. So today we know that we have been able to address the supply side and the demand side, of course, as the restriction is being eased out, as the lockdown is completely lifted, there will be measures will be taken.
Where is the additional money in people's pockets? Zafar Islam, where is the additional money in people's pockets?
No, you, Rajdeep, like you are giving time to everyone to speak, allow me to also speak. Please do not interrupt me. That the way you have given to others. All I am saying that when you are in the government, it is very easy for Gaurav or Professor Gaurav Allab to make this kind of a stupid statement that send money to everyone 7,500 without having done any back of the envelope calculation how much money India would require. Secondly, there is no, if the Nyaya scheme was made, even suggested, which was rejected by everyone, even at that time when there was no pandemic, there was a regular cash flows for the government, the revenues was there. If we have lost revenue, the revenue shortfall is there for the government for the month of April, May, June, and there's huge revenue shortfall. In addition to that, government has raised additional borrowing of 4.13 crore. There are a lot of restriction even for the government to maneuver in terms of raising additional resources because it will impact many things. How much leeway you have in terms of increasing your fiscal deficit? You already, by raising additional 4.13 crore, you already at a very high level, and government has always indicated that they will always maintain a fiscal deficit which is an acceptable level. Today, of course, because of the pandemic, it will go up, but there will be a roadmap to bring it down. So, if you continue to raise money just to distribute, then obviously
I will keep asking you, where is the additional money in people's hands?
All I can say, additional money has always been pumped out. Even today's measures will release a lot of money for to common man for their spending, and particularly if you're talking about the central government employees, their salary is much better, steeper than compared to the middle level and lower level of private sector. So they have the ability, and everyone they wait for the festive season to spend, and I'm sure that everyone, it is an opportunity being created for them to spend.
Okay, Gaurav Vallabh,
should they decide not to spend, it is, of course.
Gaurav Vallabh, there are some indicators, just a minute, Zafar Islam. Gaurav Vallabh, there are some indicators, especially in the month of September, if you look at the auto sector, for example, there are signs that that consumer demand has picked up. In certain sectors, consumer demand has picked up. You can't say that there is no demand at the moment in the economy. Again, I compare it to what was in lockdown and even pre-COVID. Certain sectors are showing that the economy is picking up. Will you concede that or not concede that at all?
Rajdeep, the gentleman from BJP is contradicting his own statement. He's telling government employees salary is good. अरे भाई salary good है तो 10,000 रुपए का loan क्यों दिया भाई? What is the requirement of that? Then he said Professor Vallabh's suggestion is stupid. Nobel laureate suggestion, Abhijit Banerjee's suggestion is stupid. Raghuram Rajan's suggestion is stupid. Amriti Sen's suggestion is stupid.
No, he has also made the similar statement to your boss.
Trump is doing that. You are saying stupid to your dear friend of our Prime Minister. How dare you? How I can listen these type of statement? You are saying
even
he
one by one. Zafar, 1 minute.
Second, please,
he never endorsed Nyaya scheme.
Please, keep quiet. Have the patience to listen. And the third point which you had asked me, that auto sale number are increasing. Rajdeep, if you are going to compare the number with the April-May number, naturally it is going to increase because at that time the sales was 0. Today it is 1 car. So you will say, okay, increase. You have to compare it to the pre-COVID level. What is the average sales number of the auto in the pre-COVID level from 2014 to 19? Had we achieved 50% of that? Yes or no? And again, I'm asking a simple question. What additional money Government of India's employee is going to get after today's announcement? He is not answering. He is just giving gumaing.